So guys, when you enter my bed for tonight, I'm going to scream here. Then there's my food. They provide the food. Then extra bed, I don't know, it's for someone who will join me. Machine, table, I don't know, TV, toilet, washroom, then again this, I don't know what is this. I think so this is where they keep the baby. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to show you a room tour of Roy Family Hospital for maternity suite. I don't know, it's wrong about the best, so we're going to see how the room and everything. So right now I'm alone, so I think so we share a bed too, but today I'm alone here, so let's see. There's no lights, so the sink, the loo, and everything. So then when I get house, so guys, they just bought for me like this dress, you know, this that I should wear this until I give birth. Let me show you. Here, you see? We're going to change.